Okay, so I got this letter in the mail from the Judge Mathis show. So basically, and a phone call. Basically, I filed a small claims case against not only against Vixen Workout, for false advertising, but also a few of her certified instructors for their participation in the cyberbullying and slander. Because number one, none of them have evidence or proof of any of the accusations they made. It came down to Janet Jones just didn't want me to make more money than her with her own brand. She did not want me to be just as successful as her or anyone else. She doesn't want nobody to outshine her. She doesn't want anybody to do things that she thinks she's only qualified to do, which makes no sense when we're self-employed, we're independent contractors. Two, it says on your website that you are, So here, even on their website, where it says, you can begin teaching whenever you feel comfortable and ready with the Vixen Workout Phase 1 combinations. Every instructor is an independent contractor, which gives you the freedom to set your own hours, schedule, rates, terms, agreement, etc. at any facility you choose. Boom. Look like they changed something, because before it said you are not an employee of Vixen Workout. That's interesting how they changed that. But anyway, so it says that you're an independent contractor, and they promote that you're a girl boss and you could do your own. But yet, once you get their money, once they take your money, then it's like, oh yeah, by the way, you have to charge this. You can only teach here. You can't teach there. You can't do this. You can't do that. So anyway, I'm suing the company for damages. Not for damages, for money, for running a fraud. This is a fake business opportunity. It's not really truly a business. And that's what they advertised it as well as the money that I was out of for the flight, hotel, rental car, and studios that I had reserved to teach the Vixen workout classes. Because Janet Jones told me, 2 days before I'm scheduled to travel to Florida to attend her training, which is crazy because she didn't have a problem with me traveling to Florida, not once but twice, to attend a training that I paid her for. But when I want to travel to other cities, states, and towns to teach a class to make money, she has a problem. So anyway, I'm just sharing what's going on, and here it is. One of the letters from the Judge Mathis show, interested in hearing my case, not only against Vixen Workout, but some of her certified instructors. People think this is a game. You want to try to attack me online. I'm the wrong person you want to have a problem with. I'm very quiet. I keep to myself. But at the end of the day, don't try to disrespect me. Don't try to mess with my money. Don't try to, come for my kids. Don't try to, attack me, because after 3 times of you doing it, it's game on. I don't have time to be playing these games, but if you want it, you can get it. So it makes no sense for people to try to attack you and they don't even know you. I mean, for the mere fact that Janet Jones has like 101 million followers or whatever, to use that positive influence that you have over people to act like this is high school and email them and say, hey, don't like this person because I don't like this person. Like, there was no reason for any of that. Your instructors should have known nothing. They should not have known my name. They should not know where I live. They shouldn't know where I work. They should have known nothing, because a professional company would have said, you know what, we have an issue and we're dealing with it. If you hear of anything, please forward it to X, Y, and Z. They don't go on like gossiping like this is high school, like, yeah, she did this and this and this and this and this and blah 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 blah, and then create a social media page to try to bash me and then wonder why I did it right back. It's like, listen, enough is enough. Once they took my flyer and try to cause me to lose money for my fitness classes, it's like, no, you're doing too much. So now I'm like, now I gotta give you a taste of your own medicine. You brought this upon yourself. So anyway, I'm taking them to court, and you can see, here's a letter from the Judge Mathis show. And some of her certified instructors are also going to receive some of this. I don't play games. So enjoy, take care, Godspeed. I gave this company like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chances to try to settle this out of court. But if you want to play, I'm not in a battle game, that's fine. Do what you feel you need to do. But at the end of the day, you reap what your soul is multiplied onto you. I just praise God for the opportunity to get on a Dr. Phil show, because, this situation had got so out of hand that I had to fast for like 24 hours just to get some supernatural favor and help. And I'm grateful for the Dr. Phil show, because at the end of the day, I've gotten the truth out of her, which is what I figured she said. She doesn't want people to be just as successful as her. She wants you to be certified and just teach in the city that you live, and that's it. She does not want you to do the things that she feels she's only qualified to do, which doesn't make any sense if we're independent contractors. If you want to control where people teach, how much they charge, their terms and agreements, then hire them. Or matter of fact, when you hold auditions, respond to people and say, hey, thank you for auditioning, but we're not going to choose anybody. So that's something she did before. There was an audition and she did not respond to anybody. We didn't hear anything back, and we all waiting like, what's going on? What's going on? Janet Jones has a problem responding to emails when it comes to her not making money. If it's linked to her making money, she's going to respond quick, fast, and in a hurry. If you don't believe me, email them and say you're interested in becoming an instructor, and then email them and be like, oh, well, I paid for a class. I didn't use it. Can I get my money back? And see what happens. See which ones you get faster. Time it. I dare you. Because she's not going to finish. She's not going to respond fast. But anyway, take care. We'll keep you updated on this legal situation once I get my money back. Once I get the judgment, then it's a countdown to how long Vixen and Janet Jones going to take to pay me back my money that I'm out of, that she scammed me out of and defrauded me with her fake business opportunity. Word to the wise to many people that's interested in becoming a Vixen workout instructor, it's just a warning. If you choose to become a Vixen workout instructor, I can tell you that your chances are that you may get sued, because Janet has not so great business practices and customer service and integrity. So something like this is going to happen again, because at the end of the day, there's somebody that's going to have more, I guess, resources available to make this on a larger scale than you think I took it. I'm only blessed with how far I got because of God. I couldn't have done it without him and his guidance. So at the end of the day, I don't play games. So if you're going to become a Vixen workout instructor, you may get sued, because Janet Jones likes to drag her innocent instructors into her legal battles. I personally did not share with anybody what was going on for 2 months before I made it public. And I didn't even go into details as to what I did. I was very strategic as to what information I released to the public. I didn't share every single little thing I did. It was like little by little by little by little. So at the end of the day, if anybody heard any information, we know it came from Janet. Like, for instance, the Better Business Bureau complaints. There's only one Better Business Bureau complaint on the internet. So for you to go on Dr. Phil and say, oh, well, it's public record, everybody sees it, they know you filed multiples. No, there's only one. Period. In the discussion. There's nothing you can do, say, or, justify. Matter of fact, here it is. There's only one complaint listed on the Better Business Bureau complaint for Vixen workout. So how would somebody know that multiples were filed unless they got it from your mouth? So at the end of the day, Janet Jones likes to involve her innocent certified instructors and her fans into her legal battles, because a professional company likes to say no comment. They don't go into details like it's high school, like, girl, she did this and that. Nobody does that as a professional. She's an amateur. There's nothing wrong with amateurs. They have to learn. But at the end of the day, when you're causing people's safety and having them lose money, you're doing too much. Now you have to reap the consequences for your actions. So at the end of the day, if you become a Vixen workout instructor, you may get sued, because Janet Jones likes to drag her innocent instructors into her legal battles by going to very specific details of the matter, rather than keeping it private and keep it to the upper management. So be warned that if you hear something crazy and she's gossiping again about somebody, you do better just muting it, or don't even log on, or disconnect yourself from the email. Don't get involved in any gossip about it or any online talk or discussion about it, because it's going to bite you in the butt like it does for Maria right now. And it's going to be for Michaela, as well as Ava from Florida. The real estate agent, and also her mother, Miss, I don't even know the little girl, Vivian Diaz. So at the end of the day, I don't play games. If you want to mess with my money, that's fine. Just understand that, I'm going to take what you did and use it against you. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Take care and have a blessed day.